All right, we are here checking out the 14K gravity tilt with the hydraulic dampener. We're gonna start from the front. We're gonna work all the way around it just to check out the entire trailer. So first off, we've got the 2 5/16 adjustable coupler with heavy duty clevis style safety chains, fully sealed harness. You got your breakaway switch, your breakaway box, and your 12K spring loaded jack. Let's talk about frame for a second. You've got 6-inch wrap tongue that goes all the way back, 6-inch main frame with 3-inch channel stringers on 16 centers. Okay, moving back a little bit, we've got our step with a clearance light. We've got a rug rail that goes all the way down. This is our stationary portion of the gravity tilt, so where you put implements or smaller pieces of equipment, and then it leads into our tilting portion. So right here you have safety latches. You've got 2 on each side. They're extremely heavy duty. They do have a secondary catch to keep them from flipping over prematurely. You've got your on-off valve for your hydraulics. So you will turn the valve off in the up position to keep it from tilting prematurely. And you will turn it off when it's down as a secondary safety to keep that tilting function from going into effect. Going back a little further, we got 2 7,000-pound easy grease axles. They're both brakes. They're slipper spring, diamond plate fenders. This is where you're going to put your license plate, which is going to be lighted, of course. Coming back further, you're going to see some of our LEDs. There is LEDs in the entire trailer. There's no incandescents. Wrapping back around to this side, a lot more of the same. You will get Tim Fly tires on a 16-inch black mod wheel. That is the specs and run through our gravity tilt. I am going to actually tilt it first right now so that you guys can see the function. So there's one, I'm going to go to the other side. And this has a 2.5-inch cylinder, so it's very heavy duty. And what that's going to do, it's going to dampen both movements in the actual tilting portion. So if there's a heavy piece of equipment, it's going to keep it from slamming down. And the same for the other direction as well. If you'll come in here, you'll see our dampening cylinder. And then this is the cylinder that actually moves the fluid so that you have that nice, clean, smooth movement. And then over here, you have your on-off valve. So I'm going to turn that valve off. And what really comes into handy here is if you have like a long wheelbase truck, you don't want that tilt to go too early, so you turn that valve off and it won't let it tilt. So you park the vehicle or the long piece of equipment on here, get off, turn the valve on, and then it will close. All right guys, that's our 14K HD tilt. Thanks.